Well, oh well. All right. Waiting on this. I knew she was gonna show up when I'm eating my late night dinner. I thought she stood me up. you know. Yeah, I would have been mad if she wouldn't have showed up. I really thought she wasn't gonna show up. You know. So I would have been mad. Yeah, I was getting impatient if y'all saw earlier. You know. Well, truthfully, ladies and gentlemen, uh, she was supposed to be my girlfriend, y'all. We were supposed to be together, y'all. We was supposed to be together, but but somebody ruined it, you know. 2017. So somebody ruined my chance, you know. So ain't she cute, y'all? She gained weight. Oh, she gonna beat me up for this. She gonna whip my booty for this. Her booty done got bigger. Uh-oh. She gonna whip my booty. All right. All right. So I'm all right. Not that's the end. Okay. Bye bye, y'all.